Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to share with you guys how I make this hair mask using avocado and banana. If you want to see how I make this hair mask, stay tuned. After slicing, I will pour it inside my blender. I will blend everything until it gets smooth.
I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing.
So after blending, I will pour it inside this small bowl here. I will add olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can also use almond oil or coconut oil. So when I finish adding the oil, I will stir it like this. Just look at that, it's come out so well. This is homemade condition and treatment. Come with me and let us apply it to the hair together. Let me say the benefits by using avocado as hair mask. Avocado contains potassium and magnesium. If you have damaged hair, it will make it to repair your hair. It will add natural shine. It will also make your hair to be growing and strong. Banana has a lot of vitamin. It prevents dandruff. It will also add extra natural oil to your hair and make your hair to be shine and soft. This hair mask is so easy to make. If you don't have blender, you can also use fake to match everything together.
Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you, all for you. Yeah, I'm all for you, all for I've been waiting for you. I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you, all for you. Yeah, I'm all for you, all for you.
So when I finish moisturizing the hair, I will cover it with shower cap. I will wait for about 20 to 30 minutes. More you wait, more your hair will get moisture.
She got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you.
So I have raised the hair. I will comb the hair like this. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate your time. See you all in my next video. Goodbye.